There can be several reasons why the Mail app in Windows the 11th of May not open. Some common issues are: Mail app not up to date. Ensure that the Mail app is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in the Microsoft Store or Windows Update settings. Another reason could be corrupted app data. Sometimes, the Mail app's data may become corrupted, causing it to fail to open. So follow the instructions of this video to learn how to fix your Mail app in a quick and easy way. First, click on the Start button. Open your settings. Select Apps and Features. Go to Apps. Go to Apps. Locate Mail and Calendar. Click on the dots at the right and select Advanced Options. Find the Reset section. If Microsoft Mail is not working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Now press the Repair button. Now check if you can send mail again. If the app is still not working. If Mail and Calendar is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Mail and Calendar app on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. Now we'll try to uninstall the Windows Mail app and its settings. Your documents won't be affected. Now press the Uninstall App button. Press the button again. Open your Microsoft Store. Search for Mail and Calendar. Click on Mail and Calendar. Press the Get button. Wait for the Mail app to be downloaded and installed. Now launch your Mail app.